Howdy Ursaboy fans, welcome to this video. Now I'm glad you're here because we have very big thing, actually very many things to do today. That's right, as you can see in the title, we have a lot of t-shirts to tie-dye, and not just any t-shirt. Yes, the beautiful shirt I'm wearing right here, that Nike Becky Hammond silver encrusted silver star shirt, absolutely gorgeous. And I'm a huge fan of Becky Hammond. She's an amazing coach, amazing player. Been a fan ever since in like third grade. I when I started playing. She's absolutely embarrassing the D out there, She's just a phenomenal, powerful woman. So you must know I was very excited to find one of these shirts in the thrift. And actually not this one and not any of these. It was actually a while ago I found one and it was unfortunate. It was a large, I'm an XL, and so I ended up selling it. But so you must know I was very excited when I found 9 of them in the same different thrift store in the same time and picked them all up. There were 8 mediums and 1, by the grace of God, XL. So that's why I'm in it right now. So yeah, we have 8 of them to dye, and we're gonna try a bunch of different designs. Hopefully I don't run out of tie-dye, dye, but I have got a big pack and I got a few more, so hopefully they come out good. And you know what, before we get to that, I gotta take off. I don't want to get this very white cocaina white shirt all messed up with the dye. I might dye later, but for now I want it cocaina white, so I'm gonna change into my very beautiful tie-dye outfit and we'll get started. So if you want to learn how to tie-dye and how I'm actually going to make these shirts today, then you should go check out my old tie-dye tutorial video where I actually did a bunch of other shirts. Or if you just haven't seen it, you should go watch it. And even I probably should watch it right now because it has been a while since I've tie-dyed. For the rest of the shirt, you're going to want to wrap it around like this. And then you can put rubber bands on top here.
You and my friend, let's be friends.
This one is the certificate.
Wow. What's going on, man? World's strongest man, Mark Henry here. I'm calling to subscribe, man. I don't know whether to fight you or congratulate you, but I hear you love pro wrestling. I guess you like big sweaty people. And you got a YouTube channel. Wow. I'm happy.
So like I said, it has been a while since I've done this, so I did start to look up some designs for the tie-dyes, but as I started actually laying them out, I decided it'd be way cooler, more fun to just do some wacky designs that I just come up with as I'm doing it. Like, I didn't look up really any of these. I just kind of just free-handed and did some different things, and so I have no idea how these are gonna come out. There could be absolutely horrible or amazing, and I think at least one of them will be amazing, but I'm hoping all of them. I think all of them, but we'll see. So it's very exciting. So now all that's left to do is actually to dye them.
You like big sweaty people. And you got a YouTube channel. Wow. I'm gonna have to subscribe, man.
Okay, I finished all of these and I think they look pretty promising, but I have some leftover dye, so I'm gonna just tie dye this vintage Harley Davidson shirt real quick. Just a quick little bonus for y'all. So the technique I used on this one, just like the spatter, which I think looks absolutely gorgeous by the way, allowed for a lot more leftover dye than I thought. So I brought out some extra shirts, so you're getting bonus. Okay, so it's been a couple days just letting them dry and the colors soak in, and I think it's finally time for the grand reveal. So all I've done is taken the rubber bands off, and so this is the very first time you're seeing them, or the very first time I'm seeing them. So let's just dive in. The very first one probably, well, is the least colorful one because it's black, but let's see, it should match the Spurs Silver Stars colorway beautifully, and oh my god, yes it does. Wow, that looks like a very cloudy, thunderous sky right there. Just imagine some lightning bolts piercing through. That looks gorgeous. Actually, it's not, the black isn't covering up the logo at all. Wow, alright, that one came out awesome. Just look at that. Wow. Alright, I'm pretty excited for the rest. I was a little bit worried about a couple of these, but well, I don't know, they're looking pretty good. And this one too, yes, you see it starts off darker and gets lighter as it goes down from blue to purple to red to pink. All of them are like neighboring, you know, blue and red becomes purple, and then red and white becomes pink. But I don't really think I did that on purpose, but that is true. There you go, if you didn't know that. But yeah, so that's the second one. I like that one too. Third, you got the yellow and green right here. The white down the middle, so it avoids the logo. Well, there's a little bit in there. Some of them have like little spots from the other ones, like there's a little bit of pink on them, but that's really no big deal. And again, it might come off because I haven't washed them yet, so the colors might change just ever so slightly, but really this is how they will look, just maybe a little bit of the color difference. Okay, next one. This one is a blend of pink and purple. Oh, that one's like straight down the middle. Wow. Alright, that looks really good. I really like that. That's like a galaxy little popsicle type thing. Looks delicious. Yes, sir. Alright, and then next you got the Irish Spring. Yes, okay, I gotta show you. The Irish McGregor-esque. Let's see how it looks. Yo, that's pretty cool. Alright, that looks pretty good. It's not exactly the flag, but it is all the colors. And I think that looks pretty dope. Okay. Alright, I feel much better seeing that they came out pretty cool. Okay, a few left. Here's another very multicolor one. I don't remember, like I said earlier, I was just doing some crazy techniques, so I couldn't even tell you how I did these at this point, but I really like how they're coming out, and I like this one too. It's a lot more different colors, a little bit like cotton candy-esque, and yeah, I like it. Alright, couple left. This one's a blue and red, looks like just down the middle like that, and yeah, that's pretty cool. It's like the all-star break. The East versus West, blue and red, and another one. Alright, so in total, last one, let's see. This one I was trying to make like a star out of. Let's see how that came out. Ooh, I don't think you could see where I was trying to make a star, but like, so like I took this part and I rolled it up so that, and then made that pink. This part was blue, this part orange, and this part yellow, and this part green. But I mean, it doesn't exactly come out like that, but I still really like the design itself. There's a lot more blue than like pink or orange, but that's okay. I really like them. And then of course, like I said, so that's it for those, but as I showed you at the end, there were some bonus shirts because of the leftover. First one I think is so beautiful. It's Harley double-sided 1994 Sturgis. It's like purple, and then you got the blue and red, you know, which we all know makes purple, right? All over, and I think that looks gorgeous. So I had to make a couple more. This one is just like a vintage teacher shirt, I think, and I just went with the red. I don't mind it. I kind of like it. It goes along with the apples. And then a couple more. This champion, I went red and black on because that's what the spell out is. It's just a very clean little champion shirt, and I think it looks dope. And then this one, I had an influx of green left over and not enough blue and pink, so that's why on this side is blue and green and this side is pink and green. But hey, we're just mixing it up out here in the Ursaboy studios, making some unique pieces, and so hope you like. Which one was your favorite? Alright, so that's all the shirts that used to be just like this and now are just slightly more colorful. So I had fun making them and I hope you enjoyed. So thanks for watching and thanks for being an Ursaboy fan. Bro face.